There is nothing worse than a shower that can't make up its mind. One minute it's perfectly warm, and the next you are hit with a blast of ice-cold water or scalding heat. Why does this happen, and how do you stop the shower shock? The most common cause is pressure fluctuation. If someone flushes a toilet or the washing machine starts a fill cycle, it temporarily steals cold water from the system. This drops the pressure in the cold line, leaving you with only hot water in the shower. Inside your shower handle is a component called a cartridge or mixing valve. Its job is to blend hot and cold water evenly. Over time, the internal rubber seals wear out or break, causing the valve to lose control of the mixture and let surges of hot or cold pass through. Modern shower valves have a safety feature called a pressure balancing spool. It's designed to instantly adjust if pressure drops. However, hard water scale can cause this spool to get stuck. If it jams, it can't compensate for pressure changes, leading to wild temperature swings. Sometimes the source is the tank itself. If the dip tube inside your water heater breaks, cold water enters the tank and mixes with the hot water at the top before it's fully heated. This sends inconsistent bursts of lukewarm or cold water to your fixtures. If you have a tankless water heater, you might experience a cold water sandwich. If you turn the shower off and back on quickly, or if the flow rate is too low to trigger the burner, the heater may send a slug of unheated water through the line. You shouldn't have to dodge water in your own shower. Whether it's a worn-out valve or a heater issue, we can stabilize your system. For expert diagnosis and repair, contact Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.